Placing your vehicle into an LLC can reduce your taxes, protect your assets, and conceal your privacy. But most people misunderstand the rules, causing them to completely miss out on all of these benefits. So today I'm going to show you how to properly place a vehicle into an LLC step by step. As a licensed CPA that does this every day at mycpacoach.com, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so before you do anything, you first need to answer the most important question. Why exactly do you want to place your vehicle in an LLC? Oftentimes, I see people opening up LLCs, transferring titles, and doing all of these different things just to not accomplish anything that makes sense in the real world. So let's carefully walk through this, starting with the first myth that transferring your car into an LLC automatically reduces your taxes. The truth is that it does not by itself anyway. The IRS is very clear that if you use your vehicle for a trade or business, you may deduct its entire cost of ownership and operation up to certain limits. But what the IRS does not say is that you have to have an LLC in order to deduct it. The truth is that you can have a trade or business without having an LLC, which means that you can take vehicle tax deductions without placing your vehicle into an LLC. You can write off your business miles or your actual vehicle expenses, like your gas expenses, oil costs, repair and maintenance fees, and even depreciation. You don't need an LLC to do any of this stuff, even under the latest tax rules. So then, if it's not solely for taxes, why would anyone transfer their vehicle into an LLC? Well, the biggest reason of them all may be personal asset protection. Let's say you're using this car for your business and then you get into a car accident. Well, guess what? You would be on the hook for every dollar of damage above what your insurance covers. And if you can't cover it, your personal house, your personal savings, and your investments could all become fair game because the liability would be personally tied to you as the owner of that vehicle. So by placing that vehicle into an LLC, you create a legal firewall preventing people from going after your personal assets and limiting them to the assets that are owned by that LLC. Another major reason why people do this is for privacy. Some people don't love the idea of people being able to look up their name in some public database and finding out exactly what you drive, where you live, and how much your car is worth. By putting the vehicle in the name of your LLC, your personal name can be removed from public records. And finally, as it relates to taxes, having your vehicle in your LLC may support the argument that the vehicle is truly business property and being used for it. So placing a vehicle in an LLC can be highly beneficial. You just need to make sure you have the right reasons for doing so. And if you do, all you have to do is follow a few simple steps to actually put it in the LLC, starting with step number 1, confirming your LLC setup. So before we transfer a vehicle into an LLC, we need to make sure that our LLC is actually set up correctly. Ideally, you should have an LLC that is already registered, an EIN number for it, your articles of organization, and a business bank account at a minimum. And if you don't already have this set up, you can do all of this in one place with one of my preferred vendors, which I will link for you in the video description below. But once you confirm that your LLC is set up correctly, you can move on to step number 2, planning for commercial auto insurance. Please be aware that you may be required to obtain a commercial auto insurance policy for the vehicle if you are placing that vehicle into an LLC. Because the title of the vehicle will be in your business name, the insurance policy should likely follow suit. Otherwise, you may risk being uninsured in the event that you are held liable for damages related to the vehicle. So be sure to research this before you proceed with the LLC transfer. Now, also keep in mind that these fees can be 100% deductible on your tax returns depending on the method you use to deduct your vehicle. But once this is solidified, you can move on to step number 3, placing the vehicle in the LLC. Now, if you are purchasing a new vehicle, this is as simple as letting your car dealer know that you would like to purchase the vehicle in the name of your LLC. They may check to verify the existence of the LLC, the EIN, and the information we discussed in step number 1. And then you would use your business bank account to ideally make the purchase or obtain financing in the name of your LLC in the event that you need to use it. But on the other hand, if you are transferring a vehicle that you already personally own, you will likely need to visit your local DMV and complete a title transfer application to transfer the vehicle out of your personal name and into the LLC's name. To do this, you should gather all of your original vehicle documentation, like the title, the bill of sale, the registration, as well as all of the LLC documentation on your business to complete the title transfer. Then you can move on to step number 4, paying your registration and transfer fees. Now, there are a number of different fees that can come up in the registration process that you should be aware of. If you are changing the ownership of a vehicle, you might pay title transfer fees, registration fees, and even sales tax depending on the state rules in which you live in. And in many cases, these fees are higher for commercial vehicles when compared to personal vehicles. So be sure to look into these fees for your state to avoid potential surprises that could come up later down the road. Now, you should also be aware that these fees can be tax deductible as well, depending on the method you use to deduct your vehicle on your tax return. But once you pay all applicable fees, you should be cleared to proceed to step number 5, receiving your title. If you do this correctly, the DMV will likely process your request and mail you a new title with the LLC listed as the legal owner of your vehicle. This would mean that you have successfully placed your vehicle into the LLC and will be able to benefit from the legal and privacy protection it offers, while also benefiting from a number of different business deductions. And by the way, if you want to learn more about those deductions, then watch my full video on how to write off 100% of your car under the newest tax rules. Or if you need immediate assistance with reducing your taxes before the year actually ends, just apply to work with my team today at mycpacoach.com.